Remember when David Carlos came to our school? It was the first time that I saw him, but it wasn't the last time that I will see him.
Thank you, sir. Love you po.
Because we went to this event, which is FIFA 3x3 in Corniche, Abu Dhabi, because we are invited, our school was invited to witness the international game show basketball players in Abu Dhabi. Locals and internationals are there. We were asked to perform a traditional dance. That's why we are getting ready to make sure that this will surely worth it. Shout out to my makeup artist, Jana from grade 9. Thank you very much. Sobrang ganda.
Work with you because we know with you will be able to do it properly. We seek you to be with us. We ask you to help us. We ask you to
Ma'am, say hi to my mama po.
Hi po.
Yan, mama ko. Let's go, Ifugao. Attendance check muna tayo kasi baka may naiwan, kawawa naman.
Present, ma'am.
Wow,
Gwen.
Present po.
Crisel?
Present, ma'am. At nandito na nga kami sa event at sobrang ingay na talaga ng mga first son at sobrang excited na namin at medyo kinakabahan syempre naman. Hi guys, we just reached here! Yo! Shout out! Sorry.
Ang ingay.
Ang ingay! Parang first time nakalabas ng bahay ah! Mas lalo pang umingay nung nakita namin si David Carlos. At nung nakaupo na nga, talagang nakanood na kami ng laro.